Hi everyone, welcome to this amazing stretch sequence. I am Marion, so let's get right into it. First we start with loving ourselves. Just hug yourself and then turn towards the right side. Actually, your left, my right. And then you take that hand to the opposite knee, and that other hand is supporting the triceps. So if you're on your left side, it should be your left hand on the right knee. So and then you just lean towards the left side and you keep both seating bones on the floor. Just lean and hold and enjoy. And come back, hug yourself, lean forward. Stay and breathe. And roll back up. Change your arms. Turn to the other side. Take that hand to the opposite knee. Support your arm on the triceps and then you just lean towards the right side. Lean. Just hold. Make sure the seating bone remains on the floor. Drop your head. Breathe. Come back up. Hug yourself. Lean forward. And come up. Now take your left hand on the right knee and open up towards the back. With the exhale, you turn to the back into a rotation. Breathe. And with every exhale, you maybe want to push a bit further into the rotation. And relax. Come to the other side. Sit upright. And with the exhale, you turn. And relax. So for the next one, we will lie down, and I call this the human pretzel. Okay, so you want to comfort your head on your arm, the lower arm, and then you want to lock your legs so they don't move. And the way we do it is we take this upper foot and fix it below this lower leg. Yeah, so you come from here, you go above and underneath, and you're locked. Yeah, that's why I call it pretzel. So this hand goes to the ear, you inhale here, and you exhale, you lean forward. You inhale, and you exhale, and you lean backwards. You open up with your shoulder. Inhale to the front, exhale. Inhale and open to the back. Inhale. Now straight the arm and lean to the front. Inhale to center and exhale, open up, long arm. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now stay in the back and just stay there. Let the shoulders sink towards the floor. And breathe. Keep breathing. And yes, I am falling asleep. Let's slowly come back. Unpretzel your legs and change to the other side. I'm just going to flip over so I can continue to look at you. Okay, so lock your head and then take this other upper foot and lock it underneath the lower leg. Okay, I show you one more time. You're here, you go underneath. My calves are too big, all these muscles. Okay, so this hand goes to the ear. Inhale and center and exhale. Inhale and open. Inhale, exhale. Now straighten your arm, reach to the front and reach to the back. Next time, stay in the back. Stay in the back. Open up, open up. Let the shoulder sink towards the floor. This feels amazing. Just stay here. 3 more breaths. And then slowly come back. Unlock your feet and just turn yourself onto your back. Stretch your legs. Place your hands next to your hip. Arms are up, facing up. Close your eyes and just lie here. Breathe and feel for a moment. Just notice how your body feels now. And maybe you just want to remain flat on the ground and stay a little bit longer. And just do this. And if not, you can come up with me and just seated. And inhale. Exhale. Head, heart, legs. Thank you so much for joining me. Leave a comment. I want to know how your pretzel felt. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss out any of my future videos. Thanks so much. See you next time.